Hello kids, hope you all are doing well. I am your Maninder ma'am. I hope you all are watching my videos, understanding it well and also doing regular practice at home. Welcome to the online classroom. Today we will learn our next letter, letter B. Let's get started. First we will learn recognition of letters. So students, as you can see on your screen, two letters are there. One is capital letter B and second one is small letter b. How we will identify that this is capital letter B and this is small letter b? From their formation. So while recognize the letter, we have to keep in mind their formation. Let's come to formation part. To make capital letter B and small letter b, we need two things. First one is standing line and second one is left curve. With the help of these two lines, standing line and curve line, we can easily make both the letters capital letter B and small letter b. Now I'll show you the formation of capital letter B and small letter b through a small video. B. I hope both the formations are clear to you. So now let's move on to the second thing. Now we will learn sound of letter B. Sound of letter B is ba. B, ba. B, ba. After learning sound of letter B, now we will learn associates of letter B. And we will try pronouncing these associates with the help of their sound. First associate of letter B is butterfly. How we will pronounce butterfly? With the help of its sound. B, ba, butterfly. Second one is B, ba, ball. B, ba, bell. B, ba, bus. After learning three things of letter B, first is recognition of letter B, sound of letter B and associates of letter B. Now we will move on to the fourth thing, which is the writing part. How we will write capital letter B and small letter b in our English notebook. So let's get started. Students, this is your English notebook. So today we will practice making capital letter B and small letter b in this English notebook. See, English notebook has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we will start making first with the picture and then with the letter. B, capital B and small b. B, ba, ball. We will make ball here. First we will make circle. So you all know the shape of circle, round round circle, and then we will make two curvy lines like this and this wavy lines. So this is ball. B, ba, ball. After making picture, we will start writing letter. We will learn how to write capital letter B. For capital letter B, we will have to give 3 dots in a row. First, second and third. 3 dots we have to give for capital letter B. And how we will start capital letter B? We will start from the top. From the top we will have to make a standing line reaching the bottom like this. Then we will go to the top again. We will make a curve till the center. We will make a left curve like this with the middle dot. And from middle dot we will make another curve, another left curve reaching the bottom line like this. Okay, we will make again capital letter B. We will give 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. First from the top we will make a standing line reaching the bottom like this. Then we will make first left curve starting from the top reaching the middle like this. And from middle we will make another left curve reaching the bottom like this. So this is the formation of capital B. Now we will make small letter b. This is small letter b, and for small letter b we have to give 2 dots. First dot in first line and the second dot in third line. Okay. For small b we will have to give 2 dots. From the top we will start making a standing line reaching the bottom, and from the middle, from this point we will make a left curve reaching the bottom. So this is the formation of small b. Let's make another small b. We will give 2 dots. First dot at first line and second dot at third line. We'll start from the first dot, start from the top and make a standing line reaching the bottom, reaching the third dot like this. Okay, and from the middle we'll have to start. From the middle we'll have to start and make a left curve like this. So this is the formation of small b. I hope the formation of capital B and small b is clear to you. So students, I hope you have understood it well how we will write capital letter B and small letter b in our notebook. So what you have to do now is practice making the correct formation of letter B in your practice notebook, and also learn all the things related to letter B by watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful to you and you will practice it more often. Keep learning and practicing at home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.